Hey guys, we're at the Oxley Nature Center today in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and it looks like it's part of a huge park here, which is near the zoo called Mohawk Park. And today they're doing some kind of butterfly, what is it, butterfly?
Monarch counting?
Counting, yeah. So we get to, I guess, go around and find some butterflies, so it should be fun. Y'all like learning about how big the trees can get over time? This is actually pretty neat. See, it started off being that small, and then it grew and 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 grew. Oh, look, some caterpillars.
They're on the leaf. There's one in this one and one over here.
Their names are Lewis and Clark.
Do you see him on the leaf? Look, this one's on this front.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, he's super
They're real
small.
tiny.
That's pretty cool. Whoa, with the real bees in there.
Do you see the bees?
Yeah.
All the bees are working.
Look, they're coming in here to bring the nectar to make honey. See the pollen stuck to them.
You can?
See?
Oh, yeah.
Yellow, orange. That one's got orange. Isn't that crazy?
That is cool. It's probably one of the coolest exhibits they have here that we've seen.
All the ones coming
So
back
they go
to the
down to this pipe and they bring it into these drawers, and that's where all the honeycomb is, where you get the honey from. And that pipe leads outside to the flowers so they can go get some nectar.
So that.
Yeah, bud?
Oh no, that almost looks like part of their body.
What, bud?
That the honey go in these.
Uh-huh. They deposit all the honey in there and it turns into honey.
Can we open it?
No, we can't, because then all the bees would come out and fly at you.
I didn't know you could open. I know.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Jock was like, Jock said, "Oh my gosh."
Is that cool, bud?
Oh.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
I'm sit here and watch them all day.
So somewhere in that mass
Is the queen.
queen.
Is that cool? Yeah. Jock's just mesmerized. Did you want to get up closer?
Yeah.
Yeah. They can't come out.
Helena.
I know.
You can see both sides. How cool is
All the
that?
honey up there.
Yeah. And down here too. I see you. Look under there, Amelia. I see you. Oh yeah, yeah.
Somebody open the door and tell me.
So that's their little house that they go into, in their little hole. And they go through the pipe and they come into here and they deposit their nectar, which turns into honey. Cool. Hey, I see you. What are you doing?
Climbing up this wall.
Can you climb over the log? I think you're supposed to go through the log. Go that way. Is that fun?
And then there's a puzzle.
Yeah.
Did you get my text about bringing quarters?
Ow. Nope. That hurt. Look, an armadillo.
Yeah, that is so cool.
And a gopher. Look at all these mice. House mouse and a white-footed mouse. And there's a Norwegian rat. And a muskrat. And a swamp rat. There's some rats back there. I think that one's a funny rat. Mr. Funny Rat. What else do they have? A beaver.
Yes.
A swamp rabbit.
A skunk. Yeah, we saw that yesterday, didn't we? And a raccoon. What is that? Otter? That's a bobcat. And this is a coyote. Look at his face. Coyote face. And this is a red fox. That's right. Very
We have
good.
all those out here at this nature park.
Frog skeleton, a turtle skeleton. And what's that down there?
What? A bird. Skeleton.
Bird?
Some kind of
A
bird.
human skeleton.
That's a bat.
It's a bat.
Look, what about this one with the shell attached to it?
Turtle.
Turtle. Yeah, open it. Talks about the food chain. A raccoon eats a fish. The fish eats dragonfly larvae. Dragonfly larvae eat mosquito larvae, and mosquito larvae eat algae. It's called the food chains. What different things eat? Let's go up the steps. Come on. Yeah. Hey, what you doing? Whoa, careful.
Make sure not to push me, sister.
Oh, it's just a door. Oh, it's an observation deck. Let's see if we can go up there. Let's go observe some things. How does that sound?
Are you sure we can?
We're gonna try.
Look.
It is? Let me check. Oh yeah, it is locked. Maybe somebody has to let us up there. Shucks.
Look at this moth.
She give you a sticker, bud?
And the feathers.
Oh, yeah.
What's on your sticker, Amelia?
Uh-huh.
Do you know what kind of birds the feathers come from?
You got it, bud? Need some help? Ah, you got it.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
Here, I'll take it. I'll give it back to her. Where are you gonna put it? That's a good spot. All right, what'd you think of the Nature Center?
This was so cool.
They had a lot of really neat exhibits.
Yeah.
Hold on, bud, we're going to the car.
We're almost to the park.
So that was really neat inside. We didn't get to go on the trail. One, it's super hot. And two, we don't know exactly when there's like a group of people going out to count the butterflies, and we didn't know exactly when or where they would be back around this way. And they're about to stop for lunch, and we're about to go eat lunch with Grumps. So this is a cool place. Y'all should definitely come and check this out if y'all are ever in the Tulsa area.